Hey guys, OnePlus are all set to launch next generation OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R. We know that OnePlus 12 launched in China on 4th December 2023. OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R global and Indian release date is 23 January 2024. So upcoming OnePlus 12, all the specifications are confirmed right now. And the phone comes with beautiful tree color, white, black, and green color, and overall OnePlus 12 looking so much premium. And this is the 360 view of the OnePlus 12, and let me know in the comment section which color you are like. And this is the official 3 cases for OnePlus 12. Finally, you can get cut out part of a photo on your OnePlus devices, and you also get new gallery app. OnePlus 12 comes with 2K resolution OBX1 OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the peak brightness is 2600 nits. Of course, the phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and up to 24 GB RAM and up to 1TB storage. In the back is also come with triple camera setup. The phone comes with 50 megapixel Sony Lite main sensor, 48 megapixel ultra wide, and the first time OnePlus using periscope zoom lens on the OnePlus devices, and 64 megapixel 3x optical telephoto periscope zoom lens, and you also zoom highest 120x. The phone powered by 5400 mAh battery and it support 100 watt fast charging and also 50 watt wireless charging. So what's the price of upcoming OnePlus 12? Rumors say that its starting price is $700. So let's see what happened in the future. So that's pretty much for our video. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.